Hey guys, welcome back. Quick video. I know, I always say that. But yeah, just having a little fun with the short barrel shotgun again. We're out at a spot we like to come and shoot now and then, and I got some Winchester 1-ounce rifled slugs, the 2 3/4. Yeah, 1 ounce, 1,600 feet per second, they say. And down there, 50 yards on top of a chunk of wood, is a milk jug full of water. So we'll call it a water jug. And I'm going to see if I can hit the damn thing. Because as I've said, I carry this thing around with me everywhere, and there's really no point if you can't hit anything. So I'm trying to get so I can hit something. So let's see how many shots it takes me to hit this thing. I got my little Dominion Arms backpacker. As you can see, she folds up pretty small. Single shot, 14-inch barrel. Nothing but fun. Terrible heavy trigger, but otherwise it's a great little gun. Tough to hang on to. Well, that didn't do it. And I forgot to hang on to that one. Ooh, I at least saw where that went. Yeah, it's nice to know where they're going. Okay. Wow. Okay, how many was that? Four? 5? All right. Well, fun, guys. You were along for the ride. Told you it was a short one. Well, check it out. I hit the log. That's as good as it gets.